part of what we talk about almost every day at PepsiCo. There's about 1 billion people malnourished, undernourished, but there's another billion and a half people that have diabetes, obesity. We need to be attacking both of those things as we think about how we deliver better products to the consumers.
I see the future of the food industry, a lot of it being based on what you can say about your products with respect to the healthful benefits of them.
So it's very important to us to be competitive in this marketplace, that we continue to drive towards more healthy foods, not only because it's the best for the consumer, but also because we have a much more knowledgeable consumer than we used to.
UMass Food Sciences was just ranked #1 by the National Research Council and National Academy of Sciences. This is a great recognition for our department and the hard work our faculty put in and the excellent research that has occurred here. But it's also a great tribute to our advisory board and our alumni and our industry partners who have given us the means to become the best food science department in the U.S.
UMass has always been a place where science has had a lot of depth and breadth.
PepsiCo has been a company that can date back to over 100 years. Who better to partner than a top-ranking university like Massachusetts? Two great organizations working together, one of the best companies in the world, one of the best universities in the world. Guess what happens when the two work together?
Our focus in research is to take a very molecular approach to make foods healthier, to make foods safer, and to make foods taste better.
The UMass Amherst group is one of the best food science programs in the world. Several different faculty members with a lot of experience and expertise in this area, and a lot of new young faculty members that are really going to be doing some great things in their work.
My group looks at the materials used in the food industry. So a couple examples are to make packaging materials that improve quality and shelf life, to make processing surfaces and food contact materials like those picking bins and deli display cases, and even a cutting board, to prevent the contamination by harmful bacteria and to improve the safety of our food. Whatever solutions we come up with have to be affordable, they have to make practical sense, and be something that could really be commercialized.
Currently, one of the major focus of our group is the molecular mechanism of bioactive food components in terms of their disease-preventing or health-promoting effects. We also need to consider the taste, the nutrition value, and the stability, the shelf life. So not all ingredients can be effective unless you know how they work.
People doing research in food science really have an opportunity to see that research taken and translated into good for society.
The Fergus Clydesdale Health and Wellness Center is a great tribute to Fergus Clydesdale, who's a real visionary in food science, who really saw how to bring food science and combine it with nutrition and combine it with policy so that we can improve the food supply.
What we're very interested in doing in our Health and Wellness Center is developing foods that are not only healthy but absolutely safe. The safety, the nutrition, the availability, the stability, the convenience. Do you want to eat food that takes 2 or 3 or 4 hours to prepare, or do you want to eat food that really tastes good, restaurant good, and you can take it home and make it in 10 minutes?
We decided to contribute to the center because we strongly believe in the center's future capabilities and the fact that we will be able to utilize those capabilities as industry to help us collaborate with the university and the department and get to a better solution for our consumers. The Strategic Research Alliance that the department has given an opportunity also for alumni in industry to reconnect back.
Well, the way we have the Alliance set up is for the food industry to really get in and learn about the research that's being conducted by the faculty. They then get to develop partnerships where they can come in and fund research on particular issues that are really of concern to them. They also get to have access to our laboratories and to our research equipment, and also get first choice of some of our great students that, when it's time for them to move into the profession.
We need to understand the science about how to reformulate products that really deliver on that health and wellness promise. UMass is a great place that's always been known for understanding what's going on in these products at the scientific level, at the molecular level.
The Alliance really has had a dual benefit. It's not only have we been able to transfer some of our technology and research knowledge to the food industry to help them solve their problems, but it also brings in real world problems from the industry and allows our faculty to understand what's really needed.
They're very proactive in their thinking. They're willing to think creatively about how we partner between academics and industry, and that really makes it an attractive thing for us.
The better our program is, the better our students are coming out of it, the more progress we can make in research, in solving some of these challenges that the food industry faces.
By establishing these partnerships with the faculty and different food companies, they can really come up with multidisciplinary approaches to solve complex problems in the food industry.
UMass, as we all know, is one of the best food science institutes in the world. And I think the recent recognition of its top ranking is just another endorsement. No doubt in my mind the value and the power of strong academic institutes that not only help in terms of training and research, but ultimately help business. Having experts to work with at one place where we can come and say, here's a problem we'd like to work on together. If there's a common mind and common interest, powerful things happen.